Hare Krishna. Humans face problems, but some people always face problems. Bad vibes. To take all of these bad vibrations from your wonderful life, you need to have some spiritual help. For that help, where would you go? I know a place, but I forgot it. Wait a minute, let me think. Yes, got it. Join ISKCON, our 18 days bhagavadgita classes. That's very simple and understandable. This course is price free, and our next batch is starting on July 11th. We have successfully completed 25 batches. We have separate batches from kids to youth and adults. Times are chosen by your preference. Languages are chosen by your likings. Why not give it a try? Don't miss this divine opportunity to join our spiritual journey. Hare Krishna.